Would you rather be dead? No. Would you rather die here? No. What did you want to be, Raymond K. Hessel? The question, Raymond, was what did you want to be?
Answer him, Raymond. Jesus.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Almost time to get them. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Trail 7 Reactions. I'm working on a new intro, working on a couple new things. I'm reacting today to As I Lay Dying. These are by request. I actually have 3 As I Lay Dying requests, and I actually might do the 3rd one today. I did, I can't remember the name of it. It was called Truth, something Truth. Wait, The Sound of Truth. Yeah, whew, I just did it. The Sound of Truth. And then I read that the Sound of Truth is actually a sequel to Nothing Left. So I'm going to check out Nothing Left now. And I got the lyrics in front of me, so I'm ready and prepared. And I'm educating myself on the way. So let's go ahead and switch to the small screen. Appreciate you guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment. You know, I'm getting some good subs. You know, I do get about 2 or 3 a day, and I really appreciate it. And I think it's because of the diversity in my reactions. Like, I'm not scared to react to something. I'll post something if I don't like it. I'll give you my honest opinion about it. I'm not really going to try to sugarcoat it. But I want to be as neutral as possible. Like, I want to be nice, you know, I don't want to be disrespectful. So even if I don't like something, I might comment. I'm going to try to comment on things that maybe are good about it. At the same time, I don't want to be disingenuous and inauthentic and not tell you it's not for me. I don't like it. Ooh, I don't like that part. I don't think he can rap, you know, stuff like that. So anyway, this is As I Lay Dying, Nothing Left. Let's go ahead and get it. So this is the sequel. This is the prequel. So this is the first video to the Sound of Truth. So here's Nothing Left, and I'm gonna try to follow this as best I can. This world was never worthy, but how can I call it unfaithful? Every promise was fulfilled as decay crawled from its throat. So it's like some kind of like society that listens to this guy, the dictator of some sort. Oh, what the? Oh, I get it now. I get the first one. She must have been burned, right? She must have been put, and they took her out, and this is punishment. So they did it to this guy, like the leader, right? Okay, and now you see your hands. Oh, shit, okay. Should have watched this first. Condemn, what did he say? Condemn the... Condemn the what? Condemn the infected. Oh, maybe she wasn't burned. Okay, let me calm down. Let me condemn the infected. This is 13 years ago. Or how long is this song? How long ago did this song come out? 2007. Shit. Oh, wow. What's going on now? The scientists, we're building shit. That was crazy, actually. They're so heavy. Woo! This world was never worthy, but how can I call it unfaithful? Every promise was fulfilled, as decay crawled from its throat, like the dead rising from an open grave, lips of splendor and tongue of deceit, all dying now as our fragile wrists hold only waste. Okay. Oh. Oh, she did shook a scarf off. She's like, fuck it. They put her on camera. They're pointing at her. Come with me. Ooh, those people are yelling at her and shit. Like, what would you do if, like, you was a society that was, like, infected by some, like, not just a disease, but, like, you know, not like some, like, like this. Like you can blatantly tell, like if they had like they would just you just knew it, like they had been bitten by a zombie or something like that, and then like like the military got to. Oh. I've always liked how bands, guitarists and shit with long hair, they could go like this, and their hair just goes like, like it's pretty crazy. Like society is in a bad place, right? There's always fucking prisoner transport. Yeah, like they took her in, and they bring her here. But I guess she's got to fight. They still spared him at the end of the other one, right? I didn't notice how prominent the TV thing is. A lot of people have the TVs in the background of their videos. A bunch of artists have done it recently, and I guess it's just who does it best, but it's such a thing. It's such a... Videos are so... Some of them, a lot of them are so predictable. Like, I like videos that aren't predictable, but this is an old video, so I'm not speaking of new, but like, I'm just speaking on general, like, videos. I love when they're just like, whoa, you're like, you didn't expect that to happen. Now they're all condemning her, like the other video. Got it. But it all turned around. They got him. That's where she came from. Rallying people up. I mean, what's she living in? Whoa. You know, to maintain like the speed of your metal, like this is like a speed metal, what do they call it? Thrash metal, like it's fucking, you gotta be drinking a Red Bull or something. I wish I could play like that. I wish I could play guitar, drums, and bass like that. Like, I wish I was, like, had enough to learn all of them and perfect them, you know? There's a lot of guys that play several instruments. Wow. And I guess they're gonna walk her out to... Yeah, the plank. This video is actually better than the other one was, because the other one was constantly raining. It was just annoying. Nice. And this is the stadium. And it's crazy because, like, in Roman times, right? Didn't they have the gladiator kind of thing where, you know, why wasn't she facing the lions? Where were they bringing her to? You know, I guess the fire. And then, like, that in the other video, I'm not gonna ruin it if you haven't watched the other video. So the Sound of Truth is the next one, and I guess the Sound of Truth is the sequel to this video. So dope. That was cool. This world is never worthy. Like those gasping for their last breath, we cannot hide. There's nothing left. In all sorrow has led me here. Then I would cry all my tears to have this chance again and know there's more than this, and to know there's more than you. All right. I'm not gonna go into what these lyrics mean. I'm just checking out the video. Let's see. All right. Oh, maybe I will go into the meaning of the lyrics. So I got a little bit into that on the other one. Let's see. All that now fragile wrist. This world is never worthy. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not getting an immediate response. I mean, like, as far as, unless I go into the article or something, but I'm not going to get all into the meaning of the lyrics. Like, I wanted to check it out. I think it's cool. Nothing left. Oh, shit. Now I feel like a jackass, like, not getting into the lyrics. Let's see. I'll do it anyway. What does it mean? I feel like a jackass not actually saying it, right? Not doing it. Post your thoughts on the meeting. Oh, be the first? Nobody's commented on this? What a shitty site. No one cares what the lyrics are. No one cares what the meaning is. Meaning, 9 meanings. Song meaning. After watching the video a few times, this is what I got from it. The video, you see a woman and many other people being persecuted and killed for a sickness that was visible in the skin. The woman and most likely everyone else who was killed was stripping down and mocked by the crowd. Then he walked the plank, so to speak. To me, it has a great comparison to what happened to Jesus and what happened. Yeah, because, they say they're, from what I understand, they were a Christian band. So we shot the video with the director. He was a perfect match for the concept. Came up with it amazing how it takes place in a broken down future world where the journey of the main character mimics many themes in the song lyrics. Okay, I originally wrote the lyrics describing a certain decay of the world around us while more and more people pursue meaningless relationships and desire for material things. I've realized that we have nothing left in common. Nothing left in common. We are separated by our intentions, and the visual concept of the video makes an obvious point that we cannot hide these differences. Nice. I'm glad I stuck it out and actually looked through the meaning. It was a slight pause, and I might not have did it, so I'm glad I did that. All right, cool. Well, I appreciate you guys checking me out. Thank you for the suggestions. As I lay dying, nothing left. I got one more to go, I think, or this one I don't think was on the list. Let me check it out. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me check, but I'm going to do another one possibly and release these today. Anyway, appreciate you guys checking me out. Again, Happy New Year. Have a good day.
Look, the people you are after are the people you depend on. We cook your meals, we haul your trash, we connect your calls, we drive your ambulances, we guard you while you sleep. Do not fuck with us.